How to install Tesla app on Apple Watch. So there is finally Tesla app for Apple Watch. So you need to first do this. You need to go to App Store, uh, iOS App Store, and go to Tesla, and then you just go in here and then update the Tesla to the latest version, and then you can see that latest version also has Apple Watch app. And then after that, you just need to basically just follow the standard process how you're installing the watch app for any other app on iPhone. On your iPhone, open the watch app and tap the My Watch tab. Scroll to the app that you want to add. Apps that you can install appear in the available watch section. So yeah, you just need to go to have watch app. You need to have paired your uh, phone, and then yeah, you should be able to find Tesla app here. Alternatively, you can just scroll. You can just get apps from App Store on your Apple Watch. So just tap the App Store on your Apple Watch and then just tap search to find apps using Scribble or dictation, or scroll down to discover featured apps and created apps collection. So that's basically how you can do it here. So that's just what you have here. So that's the idea. So yeah, try it out.